Welcome to SBI Cap Securities Limited. Let us know in detail about the key features of our website, which is www.sbismart.com. This is how our web page looks. First, we'll see the What's New section on the left hand side. You can get all the new updates that is sent by our company from time to time in this box. Similarly, if any new NCDs or IPOs arrive, you'll be able to see that in this box. Secondly, there's a market snapshot that is also available for your reference, like the equity, movers, world indices, and analysis. Everything can be seen over here. Also, mutual funds, IPOs, you can also see that from here. For example, this is for mutual funds, and when you click here, you can see the IPOs. Next, on the left side, you can see the top queries for new customers and also for existing customers. If you click on new customers, you can see the process to become our customer, what are the documents required, and so on. Similarly, when you click on top queries for existing customer, you can see how do I log onto my trading account, what is my password, where can I see demo of the website, and so on. Next is the Contact Us option. In this, there are 4 options like call us, email us, send a letter, or visit us. When you click on Call Us, you'll be getting several customer care numbers and also the timings where you can reach them. The next is the Email Us option, wherein you can just select the category of the query that you have, the subcategory, and then fill in all the details below and just submit it. Next is the Send a Letter option, wherein the address is given and you can just post a letter over here regarding your queries. Similarly, the next is the Visit Us option, wherein all the branch addresses are given. So you can just select the branch near you, for example Gujarat, and just submit it, and you will be getting all the branches over here. The next is the Charges option. When you click on Charges and click on Schedule of Charges over here, the PDF can be opened by clicking on it. In Education, when you click on Learning Room, you can see the different concepts that have been explained over here, like the core concepts, the stock market concepts, mutual fund, asset allocation, futures and options, and also technical analysis. When you click on these, the detailed explanation will be given over here of that specific concept. The next is the Tools option. In this, there are various tools that will help you to analyze your risk, like the EMI calculator, return on savings calculator, risk analysis, asset allocator, and so on. When you click on asset allocator, the tab opens over here, wherein you can just select the investable amount up to 1 year by just dragging this. Supposingly it is 1,90,000, you just have to drag in, the amount appears over here. Similarly, investable amount from 1 to 3 years, and also investable amount for greater than 3 years. And then you have to select the risk profile and click on Next. So here for short term up to 1 year, it will give you the risk analysis. Also over here, by clicking on Demos, you can see all the demos that are available on our website for your reference. Similarly, there is an option of FAQs. You can just post in the query that you want to resolve and just click on Submit. Also, there is an option of downloads. All forms and softwares can be downloaded from here. These are the several forms that you can take a look at, and if you want to download digital contract note or PDF reader or SBI Smart Client EXE version, you can click over here. Now let us see how to log in into your account. There's this green button over here for trade login. On clicking it, a new tab opens wherein it will ask you your client code, password, and PAN card number. If you have forgotten your client code, you have to click on Forgot Client Code link. It will ask you your email ID and PAN card number. Kindly put in your email ID in this box and your PAN card number over here, and then click on Search. Your username is sent to your registered email ID. You can retrieve it from there and again go back to login. Now, if you don't have your password or if you have forgotten your password, you can click on Forgot Password or Get New Password link. You have to put the client code that you have just received from your email ID and click on search. Now you have to put your PAN card number over here and then click on check responses. One-time password will be sent to your registered email ID and also your registered mobile number. You have to put that number in the box available over here. After putting the one-time password in the box, you have to click on verify OTP. Now it will ask you to create a new password. Your password should be at least 8 characters long and should not be more than 12 characters. It should be alphanumeric with one special character. Your password is being changed. This process may take a while. Your password has been changed successfully. Kindly click on continue. Now you have to re-log in with the same password. Now if you have any further queries regarding login, you can click on login FAQs. A new tab opens wherein you can find the answers to most of your questions regarding login. Also, there are few other important links like the password policy and update your email ID and mobile number. On clicking it, you can see the steps how to update your email ID or your mobile number. Also, in this space provided, you can see important notifications from time to time like the auto square of time, etc. Now, let us log in into our account to see the post login features. For logging in, you will need your password and your PAN card number as SBI CAP follows a two-factor authentication policy. Now, let us put our client code, password and PAN card number and click on login. These are the FAQs that you can take a look at. Also, in the menu option, you can see an option of FAQs. On clicking on it, this box appears. Now, this is a section of Get Quotes. If you want to see the live market price of any specific script, then you have to click over here and then click on Go. For example, State Bank of India. You have to put the script name and then click on Go. A new box opens wherein it gives you the live equity rates, future rates and also option rates. In equity rates, you can see the last traded price, best bid, best offer, best bid quantity, volume, day open, high, low, close, etc. On clicking futures, you can see the State Bank of India future rates for the current expiry. By clicking on the drop down, you can see the next month and the 5-month expiry rates as well. On clicking on options, you can see the call option and the put option rate of a specific strike price of the current month expiry, the next month and also the 5-month expiry. You can also customize your home screen with a simple drag and drop option. Add multiple widgets and windows on your screen in order to see the kind of information you wish to view while transacting. Our intelligent and intuitive features keep all information close at hand, so you don't have to browse multiple windows. Like, you can add order status, obligation and position, expert views and news and so on to the widget. Also, if you want to customize it further and view the widgets on the right hand side, you can click here. And then you can save the settings by clicking on this icon. In order to lien the amount from your savings account to your trading account, you have to go in menu and click on Lien Unlien option. A new box opens wherein the first option is Mark Lien Unlien for funds. A new tab opens wherein you have to select your bank name, that is SBI, and put the amount in figures. Your account number will be displayed over here and then click on Lien. your merchant reference number will be generated. Now it will direct you to your online banking, wherein your internet banking username will be displayed. You have to put the password for your internet banking and click on submit. It will ask you to confirm it twice. The status from SSL will appear as success. Now, to check the amount that you have just liened, you have to click on menu and click on the limits option. The net lien amount will show 5,000 over here. You can also lien your funds by using the manage option. Your available limit will also be shown in the order entry form over here. Now we will see how to create and manage our market watch. First, we'll click on menu and then click on market watch. The Nifty market watch and the Sensex market watch will appear. Just in case if we want to create a new market watch, we have to click on manage market watch and then click on create. You have to enter a name for your market watch and click on OK. The name will appear over here. Now, if we want to add any script in the market watch, the type will be equity, exchange will be NSE, and company we can select any. For example, Reliance. We have to select Reliance Industries and click on Go. The LTP will appear over here. Similarly, if you want to enter Nifty Futures, then click on Future Index, that is FUTIDX, and put the company name as Nifty. Select Nifty and click on Get Future. The current month expiry will come and you can select the next month or the far month expiry as well and click on Go. The Nifty future has been added. Similarly, if you want to enter any option, you can click on Option Index and put the company name as Bank Nifty and click on Get Option. The expiry will be shown over here, and the option you can select whether call option or put option. Now we are selecting call option. Strike price, you can select the one that you want. For example, 16,800 and click on Go. The LTP of that call will appear over here. Similarly, if you want to add any future stock, then you have to click on FUTSTK. The exchange will be NSE and you can put any company over here. For example, ONGC, and click on Get Future. The expiry you can select and then click on Go. Similarly, if you want to enter an option stock, you have to click on option stock and follow the steps. Over here, when you scroll, you can see all the details like the bid, the offer price, the bid size and the offer size. If you want to change the order of any of these columns, you can click on actions and click on configure column. These are all the features that are available in your market watch. You can add any from here and put it on the right side so that it displays on your market watch. If you want to enter option type, then you just have to click on option type, drag it and drop it on the right hand side and then click on save. Here the option type column has been added. Also, you can adjust the size of the columns as per your preference by dragging from here. Now let us see how we can place the orders in intraday as well as in delivery. Supposingly, we want to place a transaction in Reliance. Then just right click on that script and click on buy. The buy order entry form appears. If you select sell, a sell order entry form will appear. Now we are clicking on buy. The LTP of Reliance Industries appears over here. The type will be equity. Exchange can be either NSE or BSE. Company name will be Reliance Industries. Series will be EQ. And on clicking go, the LTP over here will apply. Product type, you can select either delivery or intraday. For example, now we will select intraday. Order type can be either market, limit, SLL or SLM. Now for example, let's select limit. The quantity for say now we'll put 1. And if we are placing a limit order, we need to put the price at which we want the order to be executed. For example, 940 because the LTP is 945. So the limit price will always be lower than the LTP. Validity will be day. Supposingly, if you are placing an aftermarket order, then you have to tick over here. But if you are placing an order in the market hours, then this tick should not be there. And then just click on submit. The order preview will display over here. You need to confirm and then the order will appear in the order status. You have to drag and bring it on the right hand side so that it becomes a window. In the order book, over here we can see the Reliance buy order that we have placed just now. By clicking on actions, there are various options available for buy more, sell, modify, cancel, etc. You can click on modify to modify the limit order to the market price. For doing that, the order type needs to be put as market. Automatically, the price box will be frozen and you just have to submit it. Now, since we have placed the market order, we can view that order in trade book as well. Since the order has been executed, all the executed orders can be viewed in trade book. Now, if you wish to square off your position or to convert the product to delivery, you can click on actions. And if you wish to convert it, you have to click on convert product. The product type will be delivery and then submit it. If you want to square off your position, you have to click on sell. The sell order window appears. Quantity will be 1. If you want to place a stop loss order for this transaction, you have to click in order type and click on stop loss L. You have to put the stop loss price and the trigger price over here. Stop loss price is 935 and you have to place a trigger price over here, supposingly 935.50. The trigger price should always be greater than the stop loss price in the sell stop loss order, and then you have to submit it. This order can be viewed in order book. Over here, supposingly you want to select the stop loss M option. Over here you can again modify this, and instead of SLL you have to select SLM. So the stop loss price box will be frozen. You only have to put the trigger price, and once the trigger price is hit, it will automatically get sold at whichever price the order matches, and then click on submit. The order has been modified. If you wish to cancel your sell order, you have to click on actions and click on cancel. A cancel order form will appear, to which you have to click on yes. Now you can view all the positions in the positions option over here in menu. Over here you can see the Reliance transaction that we just did. Now if we wish to square off the position, we just have to click on actions and click on square off. The sell order window appears. Order type can be market. Quantity will be 1 and you have to submit it. And click on confirm. This is how your position will be squared off. Now, if you want to place orders in futures and options, then if you already have added the script in your market watch, you can just select the script and drag it and bring it to the order entry form. Over here, your Nifty future has been added. The LTP is 7863. Product type will be normal and order type will be limit, market or stop loss L or M. In product type, there are two options, either normal or future intraday. Now, for example, we are placing a normal order and the order type is limit. Quantity, you can see the lot size over here is 50. So quantity can be in multiples of 50. And price will be the price at which you want to place the order. For example, 7800 and click on submit. Similarly, if you want to place an order in any options, you just have to put it in the order entry form. For example, in type, it will be option index. Company name will be Nifty. You have to select Nifty and click on get options. Expiry will be the current month expiry. You can select the expiry by clicking on the drop down. Options will be CE for call option and PE for put option. Strike price you can select from the drop down over here and click on go. Product type will be normal and order type will be market, limit, SLL or SLM. Quantity again will be in terms of the lot size. The LTP is 74. So if you wish to place a limit order, it will be less than 74. For example, 70. Validity will be day and click on submit. This is how the order will be placed. Our equity research analysts monitor the markets constantly to give you real-time stock related view. You can get latest alerts on these intraday views which are flashed regularly on the message ticker over here. If you want to view your allocated shares, you have to go in menu and click on DMAT holding. Your allocated shares appear over here. To allocate the shares from your DMAT account, you have to select your DP ID and click on DP hold. Now, to allocate a particular script, you have to click on the radio button over here and click on DP hold. A block holdings box appear over here. You have to put the quantity in this box which you want to block and click on submit. The status will appear over here as success. You can also identify possible trends and potential trading opportunities with our comprehensive charts. Our interactive charting tool provides you with insightful information customized to suit your requirements. You can analyze the price movements of the script for a chosen period and the type of chart. For example, Reliance Industries. You can select the time horizon for 1 month, 3 months, 6 months and so on. Also, you can select the type of chart like the line, candlestick, etc. Also, you can draw the trend lines to find support and resistance level by using this tool. You can also get such price points by adding more technical indicators to the charts like the Bollinger Band. The Market View screen gives you a consolidated view of the markets. For example, it shows the charts of the indices up to an year. Also, advances declines of the day. Our value-added research services enable you to view earning opportunities appearing in various media sources in addition to our in-house research desk. So, in case you miss watching out on news, click here to view the calls from leading media sources like NDTV, CNBC, etc. Also, the current news related to the market, events regarding any board meetings, announcements, etc. if there are any. Also, top gainers, top losers, hourly gainers, hourly losers, volume topper. By clicking on the specific option, you can see the details. Our 360-degree stock view provides you with all the required information and much more in a single view, and is updated in real time to help you make your trading decision. It helps you track the stock performance, study its shareholding pattern, and Columbine rating. Rating of 10 indicates a strong buy, whereas rating of 1 indicates a strong sell. You can even see the best 5 bids and offer on NSE as well as BSE. Also, any events or news related to the stock. You can also know the risk return of your script versus its peers by just rolling over the mouse pointer on the dots. And you can also do a buy or sell transaction by just clicking over here. Our market maps consisting of heat, scatter and financial maps allow you to identify the stock movements during market hours. It helps you consolidate and analyze extensive real-time market information in easy-to-interpret color-coded results. Scatter map. Some traders feel that a rising open interest with a simultaneous rise in price indicates a bullish trend in the script. In the scatter map, you can easily identify such long build-up scripts in green color. This is how easy it is to spot opportunities and transact. Similarly, you can identify other scripts with bearish trends as well. Look below for the details of the script and right-click on it to buy or sell. The next is the financial maps. Financial maps present a snapshot of the company's financial details vis-a-vis the industry's performance over a 5-year period. For example, Reliance Industries has bettered its profit after tax figure over the previous period and also across 5 years. The industry has also shown similar trends. These can be seen from the boxes. However, the PAT of Reliance Industries has grown slower than the industry over a 5 green year period, as seen in this red box. Financial maps provide you a visually convenient alternative to reading and analyzing annual reports of various companies across 5 years. Double-click on the box to see the 5-year PAT and also the peer comparison chart. Roll over the mouse to see the peer companies. You can also buy and sell the script right from here. Advanced Stock Screeners. We have made predefined screeners based on strategies that help you take an investment decision. Our screeners allow you to sieve through entire list of stocks from our up-to-date database and find the few that meet your financial criteria you want in a matter of seconds. For example, for traders who may feel that RSI is greater than 70 is a signal that the script is overbought or fit to sell. Here is the list of scripts that you are looking for. Right-click to buy or sell. Now, the next tab is Reports. If you wish to view any financial data of any company, for example, State Bank of India, the cash flow, the key financial ratios, profit and loss or balance sheet, you can view from this tab. Also, you can transact in the script by clicking on buy or sell. In each window that you visit, an instant help option is present on the top right hand side. You can click on that icon to get the details of that particular window. This option is available on all the windows. For example, you can click on limits. and click on the question mark available to know more about limits. In the menu option, there is an option of back office. On clicking it, you can see client profile, research report and other such options. If you want to update your profile or make any changes in it, kindly click on change profile. If you want to view our research reports, you can click on research reports. These are the various reports generated by our company. The next is the DMAT report. Over here, you can view your holdings by clicking on your DMAT ID. The next option is FAQs. If you want to apply for Fayde Ka Sauda, you have to click over here and click on agree. The next option is change password. If you want to change your password, you have to click on that particular link. The next option is TP lean. You can also lean or unlean your shares from back off. The next option is ledger. By clicking on ledger, you can see your entire ledger and you can click on a specific report to view it. You can see your entire transactions, your brokerage, the service tax and also the NSE transaction charges and other such charges over here. The next option is digital contract. You have to click on digital contract. It will ask you your client code and your password. The password will be the first 5 alphabets of your PAN card number in capital and after that your date of birth in the form of DDMM, that is date and month, and then click on continue. Over here you can view various document types like the contract cum bills, the ledger, the margin statements, etc. You can select the date from which you want to view till which date, from January 1st till the current date. And segment you can select as BSE cash, NSE cash, etc. and click on show file list. If you have transacted in that particular time span, the contract notes will be seen over here, and after viewing it you can change your password also from here, and if you want to sign out, click on sign out. The next is the trade log. If you want to see your transactions from a particular date to a specific date, then you can use this option. Our offering for you is not just limited to ease in trading. We strive to take a step ahead to touch base with you in a more personalized manner by keeping you well updated with some customized messages. For example, you may have been a select few to receive information to download our EXE platform. In case if you are visiting any other window, be it limits or market and stock info, etc., and if you want to place any order, the order form will be there at the bottom of your screen, on which you can click to transact. If you are interested in starting a systematic investment plan for equity, you can click on equity SIP. A new tab opens wherein SIP registration can be done. It can be done either in equity or in ETF. The list of ETFs are given over here. Now for equity SIP, you can select any stock. For example, Bharti Airtel. Once you select the stock, the LTP of the stock appears over there. The mode you can select in either quantity terms or amount terms. For example, if you are selecting amount, the quantity box will be blocked. The minimum amount for SIP will be 1000. The start date will be automatically taken as 2 days after your registration date. You can select the tenure in months up to 24 months, and frequency you can select be it fortnightly, monthly or quarterly, and click on add. Here your terms and conditions need to be accepted and click on confirm. Do you wish to continue? You have to click on OK. Your SIP request has been registered successfully. If you want to view it, click on view SIP. Here you can see all your existing SIPs and the status, like the first 2 SIPs have been stopped and the current SIP is active. If you wish to discontinue it, you have to click on discontinue and click on OK. If you wish to place transactions in mutual funds, you have to click on MF. On clicking it, you will be able to see this tab wherein you have to select the asset management company. For example, SBI Mutual Fund. Categories can be either commodities, debt, equity or hybrid. For example, let's select equity, and these are the various schemes that you can take a look at. For example, SBI IT Fund. The last recorded NAV will be displayed over here and the cutoff time over here. If you already have an existing mutual fund in SBI, then you can see the folio number over here, or else it will automatically take the new folio number. You can put any amount over here. For example, rupees 5,000, and select the dividend type, be it dividend reinvestment or dividend payout, and just click on terms and conditions and accept it, and then click on submit. Over here, your EUIN number is asked for confirmation. You have to click on OK. Here, the order placed successfully and your reference number will be generated. If you want to see the status, you have to click on books and then click on go. Your order number is displayed over here. When you scroll, you will be seeing the status in process. After the MF has been allotted to you, you can view the same in holdings by clicking on go. If you wish to apply for an IPO, kindly click here. A new window opens wherein you can see the details of the current issue, that is for Snowman Logistics. When you scroll on the right, you can click on buy. Here on the top, the details of the issue size and the issue amount and other such details are available. If you wish to place an order at the cutoff, kindly tick here. The price will be automatically displayed over here and you can put the quantity over here. The amount payable will be displayed over here. Kindly click on terms and conditions and accept it. Now, to confirm your order, click here. The order has been placed successfully and the order reference number and application number has been generated. To see the status of your order, click on books and click on go. The status shows in process. Once the IPO has been allotted to you, you can view the same in holdings by clicking on go. If you wish to invest in non-convertible debentures, kindly click on NCD. A new page opens wherein you can see the available NCDs in the current issue. If you wish to transact, kindly scroll on the right and click on buy. The various series will be displayed over here according to the frequency of coupon payment and tenure. If you wish to buy in series 1, enter the purchase quantity over here, for example 10. Automatically it will calculate the purchase amount in this box. Now you have to click on terms and conditions and accept it. To confirm your order, click on submit. Your order has been placed successfully and the reference number is generated. Now to see the status, click on books and click on go. The status shows in process. Once it has been allotted to you, you can view the same in holdings by clicking on NCD holdings. If you wish to transact in OFS, kindly click here. This is how the OFS page looks. If any new OFS will arrive, you will be seeing the stock name over here. You can put the buy price, the buy quantity and click on add. And you can view your bids in the option of view bid. To log out from your trading account, click on log out and click on leave this page. So here we have provided you with all the details of various features that SBI Cap Securities Limited offers you. For further information, you can call on the toll-free number, that is 1800223345, or write to us on helpdesk@sbicapsec.com. Thank you.